What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we will be doing a review on the Apple AirPod Pro. So, yes, you can see this is still in its plastic. So, in the next part, I will break open the plastic and we'll do the unboxing. All right, so as you can see, I already got the plastic removed. So just real quick, we'll do a quick 360 around the box. So this is kind of like the front, and it's actually, if you touch it, you could feel that the image over here is actually kind of like embossed, if you will. So you actually feel the indentation of the AirPod, which is a nice touch, right? A very subtle design thing, but I always appreciate it when designers put their extra effort, go the extra mile to get that nice touches. So there is an indentation on the product here, and as always, right, Apple product are very design centric and very minimalistic, if you will, and just some stuff over here should you want to read it. And on the back, this is kind of how it looks like. This comes with a wireless charging case, what have you. So all right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. All right, so popped open. I haven't opened this, so I don't know what to expect, to be honest with you. So looks like comes with pretty standard, right? With most Apple product comes with this little pamphlet of stuff. Pretty clean. And so let's just kind of open it up. AirPod, and this is probably quick instructions on what you need to do, how to pair it and whatnot. So just start from here. Maybe I'll just, and you guys can stop the video if should you want to read any of this. All right, and then I don't know what's in the back, and just more stuff in the back should you want to check it out. Push back. All right, so that's that. And then these are just technical jargon and whatever legality stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through these. It's gonna be really boring if I did. So yeah. All right, so the next part is the AirPods itself. So it comes with a little charging pod here, and so in this plastic. Let's see how to open this. Did I just tear it open? Oh, I see. You push it open. All right. Pretty simple, and looks like yeah. Okay, so opens up like that. So yeah. So these are the AirPod Pro. So they are actually shorter than the I guess the first or second generation of it. Much shorter. So there's the I don't know. Is that the left one or the yeah, I think a close-up might be good, right? So so this is the left one. So this is kind of like how it looks like. I don't have a big hand, so just to give you a idea how big this headphone is, it's actually quite small. And I have a small hand to begin with, so yeah. So that's the left one, and then this is the right one. Again, looks like that. And then I don't know what else is in here. Yeah, so it looks like there's nothing in there. So it looks like those are the charging thing. So you charge it over here. Oh, it looks like, okay, so that's the battery. It looks like that's the battery. Like, you open it, so you charge it, I guess, like that. Oh yeah, so they designed these pretty, okay, so there's only one way that I guess you can fit this in, maybe. Yeah. So there's no way you can miss it, and I don't think I can do it the other way. Let's give it a try. Yeah, so there's only one way that you could put this back in the box, which is good to know, as I expected from any Apple stuff. And I guess this is the kind of the charging pod, so like you could just charge this up without having a headphone in here per se. So which is kind of nice. And of course, all the other features, unless, you guys are living under a rock, you guys are pretty familiar with Apple products. I'll let you guys, do your research on features and whatnot and things like that. So what else is in here? So it's this, push this back. Oh, okay. Oh, so yeah, okay. So there's more stuff here. So you just kind of push this back. And then this is the charging cable for the AirPod Pros. I'm just gonna break open these plastic here. All right, so pretty simple. Break open this. Yeah, okay, cool. I think this is a USB-C. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty simple. So you just kind of connect it over here. Oh, come on. Oops, I can't see. All right, just 1 second here. Oh, I'm sorry, I used the wrong one. My bad. So yeah, connect it to here, and then you connect it to the USB-C, the Apple outlet, and then you're good. So there you go. In a nutshell, this is the Apple AirPod Pros. Again, let's put this headphones over here. Again, this is the AirPod Pros, and I hope you guys enjoy my review, and I'll definitely make sure I'll put all the necessary information, links, description in the bottom of this video. So if you enjoy my review, please it would mean a lot to me if you could just like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That's always appreciated. So until next time, Mr. Product Reviews out.